Hey guys, this is a quick demo of Intezer Protect in order to see how we can detect the exploitation of the critical vulnerability Spring4Shell, which impacts the Spring framework. So as we can see on the screen, we have a clean environment right now with mostly trusted code running across all our hosts. We also see that we have an application Tomcat running on a host. So when we look further into the code distribution and the types of code are running, they all seem to have trusted verdicts, all clean code. And that is the security status, clean for this host. Now, from the attacker's perspective, they can execute something like this, a curl command that calls for an xmrig minor malware to be executed on that server. So actually launching that command, we can see xmrig is currently running. So we'll go back to our dashboard on Intezer Protect and take a look at the change that has occurred. There should be an alert based on the command that the attacker launched, and that is exactly what we see. So let's click on that alert, and now we can get more context around the host that was affected by this command. There are file details around the xmrig minor malware, which we'll get to in a second, but we can see the overall execution, the process trees, process commands, and we can see the network activity at the time of that execution, container details in which the xmrig minor malware was executed. We can even terminate the process through Intezer Protect in order to stop this malware in its execution. Now, let's dive a little bit deeper into the file, and what we can see from Intezer's analysis is the code composition of this malware. So we can see most of the code is made up of xmrig minor code, and so we can really classify the malware running on this host.